So when I'm doing this abstract art interpretation to then see what answer it will give me, I myself don't know what artwork will show up. So when I'm looking at this artwork, one, it is the color blue, and this is also about throat chakra and the third eye chakra. So third eye chakra is nothing but a intuition or universal support or an early information. So somebody is getting supported very heavily with their third eye chakra, as well as their communication is going to play a very big role in how the whole case will play out. If you see, there are two rectangle pillars here. The first one is on the left, and the second is which is more clear, and it has a halo behind it. Also, if you see the picture which I have put, the photo I have put about the news report, the wife, the girlfriend Mackay, she's standing on the left, and the boyfriend who's lost money because he gave her the lottery ticket is standing on the right. So if I were to just juxtapose or put that picture on these two pillars, there's a halo behind. The second pillar, which is the pillar towards the right, has a halo behind it. So looks like the man who's lost the money because he gave the lottery to his girlfriend, who then ran away with a lover or found somebody else. The man is going to mostly win this case because there's a halo. If you see, there's a white bright light on the rectangular pillar, which is next to the another pillar on the left. So to me, it's looking like the boyfriend will come out shining, and he will go very very far. He will go as far as how you can go up in the sky. So he's going to go very very far with how he will fight for this case, and looks like almost his prayer or his case is going to play out in his favor because there's a halo, and the blue is also the sky. Very literally, he's touching the skies with his request, or he's fighting for it. So mostly looks like when I ask how will this whole case play out for the two of them, looks like he's going to come out winning and shining in some way. Maybe he will get the lottery win, or maybe he'll get some publicity. I don't know what's happening, but there's definitely a big win or support coming his way. He's going to have his time shining and feeling great about life. So this is how the psychic reading is.